Ohayou gozaimasu! Welcome to my first and last cooking show! Sharp! Yo, cookie little yo. So we're going to make today an Optivion pirate ship. Ask me how. Kaizo Sen! Ha ha! Hardy har har! So first thing, we're going to open Peko-chan Pan. Is going to be the first layer of our boat. So as you can see,
oh my boat!
smokestack, funnel. Ta-da! And totsu. Tsugi wa chwabu nihon. Now next, we're going to take our grape and we're going to create a deck for the boat. Softly bend the edges and then you'll get a shapy arch. Mageru.
Ichigo Poki.
Next, we're going to take Hello Kitty and build our way up. So our steam pirate ship will have some weapons.
Cannons!
Spears, torpedoes, whatever you want to call them. But we will not go down easily. We will not be defeated. Hardy har har. Now there's a couple in here. Feel free to use as many as you want. You don't have to use them all. This is just the way I like to do it. Oops. See, this could happen. Then gotta have extra. So listen there. So we are building our battleship finally. You know what? We can even go upwards. There we go. There we go. There we go. Abracadabra!